Gaano ka-important yung faith mo na
I was during this Holy Week, talaga I made sure that I really reflect on everything that happened to me for the past year. My family went on a vacation. I was here. I went visit a iglesia on my own, which I've done every year. Actually, every year ko naman siya ginagawa. But this time around, it's really different. Mas malalim yung pinagdarasal, mas malalim yung pinasasalamatan ko sa time na I was doing my visit at iglesia. And before this Holy Week. So it was for me it was really special. Special Holy Week for me. Na after what happened to me, na naka-recover ako and still playing on a high level. So I'm just really thankful, sobrang yun lang pasasalamat ko na nandito pa rin ako at nakakapaglaro pa rin ako. That's why I really made sure na this Holy Week mag-reflect talaga ako. Kahit may practice kami ng Good Friday, medyo parang medyo nag-iisip nga ako. kaya yun. But anyway, so that's part of the sacrifice also that we've been doing. Not only for ourselves but for the fans. Hindi nalalaman ng fans yung sakripisyo na ginagawa namin. Buong pamilya namin nagbabakasyon pero kami nagpa-practice kami on a Good Friday. So yun lang. Wala akong walang no complaints. Just being grateful sa lahat na nangyayari every day. So yun lang.
Ano malaman sa kang simbahan mo?
Dito lang ako sa Manila. So, meron naman ako. Dito lang ako. Usually sa Batangas ako buong District 1 ng Batangas. From Taal, pababa na Nasugbo ako. Pero dahil walang time, dahil may practice, so, dito lang ako sa Manila. So,
About yung game mo kanina kasi may na-score kang malaking tres din kanina.
Oo nga sinabihan ko, alam ng mga teammates ko na may hinahabol ako. So, they really setting me up. Thankful lang ako sa kanila. So, ang bait nila kasi sila nagsasabi just every time na yun sa fast break daw, may mga ganun. So, thankful ako. But again, I was telling them na as long as it's within the system, ayoko namang magpilit, kung mahabol ko, why not? Diba? Pero kung hindi. So, but thankful lang ako dahil yung support ng teammates ko, sobrang saya nila pag nakakapaglaro ako. Tapos, yun, kaya ako natutuwa din ako pag naglalaro ako kasi alam ko yung mga fans din natutuwa pag nakikita ako naglalaro. So, yun. I-enjoy ko lang din. Ayun.